Good morning everyone. I am Ridan Somaya T. He is Vagishri and Vivaswant K. We are part of the team Field Frontiers. We are studying in Excel Public School, Mysore.
Our team is
The challenge faced by the farmers in rural and urban areas is to access eco-friendly, efficient and affordable biofertilizers and biopesticides.
in many areas, farmers struggle with limited access to affordable biofertilizers and biopesticides, which help maintain soil health and reduce environmental pollution. Traditional methods of obtaining these products can be inconvenient, with long distance to travel, limiting operating hours of stores, and concern about the authenticity of the products. This lack of accessibility and trust affects the adoption of the biofertilizers and biopest, which are vital for sustainable agriculture.
To address this, we have developed a BioBlend Dispenser. Our solution uses modern technology to provide farmers and consumers with easy, on-demand access to three types of liquid biofertilizers such as Jivamrita, Bijamrita, and Panchagavya, and three types of liquid biopesticides such as neem seed kernel extract, Agniastra, and Neem Astra.
The dispenser is equipped with an RFID-based payment system where users can scan their RFID cards to make secure payments. Once the user selects the desired product from the keypad, the machine uses 12-volt DC pumps connected to a single dispenser tap. These cards can be bought from key locations like Panchayat Office, Krishi Vignan Kendras, and Agri Input Dealers. These biofertilizers and biopesticides are procured from the vendors like Green Thumb STB Club at Excel Public School or IFFCO, which specializes in preparing organic products for crops.
In the future, a fluid level sensor will be installed in the vending machine to monitor products availability. When products run out, the system will automatically trigger a message to the vendor for timely reloading, ensuring uninterrupted service.
A single tap is used to dispense the products, making it simple and efficient. The liquid biofertilizers and biopesticides are dispensed precisely to ensure the right amount is delivered, reducing waste and improving efficiency for farmers. The dispensing process is calibrated based on the pump's operating time.
This dispenser provides a cost-effective, user-friendly solution that ensures easy access to high-quality bio-based agricultural products. With the dispenser located in the village panchayat office, farmers no longer need to worry about availability or authenticity. Our solution promotes sustainable farming by reducing the dependency on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, enhancing soil health, boosting crop yields, and minimizing environmental pollution.
By providing efficient and easy access to biofertilizers and biopesticides, our dispenser contributes to a greener, more sustainable future for agriculture. Three of us came up with the idea of developing BioBlend Dispenser. We helped each other in coding and building the system. We thank our mentor for guiding us throughout the journey of the project.